What's up, guys? Quick little update on the house barndominium build here. So we got a HVAC contractor locked down and a insulation guy and a drywall guy. So me and Chico have been working on the electric. Some of the days we've been doing it was super windy, rainy, so weren't able to film a lot of it, but I'm gonna flip around and see what we got here for a meter box here. So we decided to do a sub-panel meter box. It's all in one, so there's 8 circuits that I can go outside for like a hot tub or something, and then it goes inside to a 200 amp breaker box as well. But we got all this inspected, waiting for West Penn Power to come and set the transformer. You can see that's over there, but since the last video we got garage doors. So let us know what you think about it. After we ordered them, we kind of like thinking maybe we should have went with black, but we do like it. We're gonna get some faux hardware that makes it look a little bit more rustic. It's pretty cool. They're magnets and they look like hinges and stuff, so it looks like a barn door. But right now what I'm working on is, we'll take a walk over here. You can see there's my buddy the rooster. Ends up being, they're all supposed to be hens, but he's friendly, so he's gonna stick around. He's kind of like my sidekick out here. But currently I am digging approximately 400 feet. You can see the excavator over there. I'm running the 2-inch gas line. I got it halfway through the valley, and now I have to continue it through because Columbia Gas will not set the meter until I have it inside the house and hooked up to one fixture or appliance. So that's my goal now, and the water company's coming to set a water meter tomorrow. We have all the water line and everything in, so we're gonna get moving here. See that it's hanging out. I'm digging all these ditches and they're loving finding all the bugs in the ground here, but decided to use the Yanmar. This is a VIO 55. We purchase all of our stuff through Pro Power Equipment down in Mount Pleasant, PA. You can see here I got another 500-foot roll of 2-inch gas pipe. And in this area, code is 18 inches of cover. I'm going about 24 inches, just give it a little bit extra cover. But if you look way down there, we're about 600 feet from the road. So I upsized the pipe to 2-inch for volume and distance loss. So I crossed the street earlier, now I'm coming up through here, and we're gonna dig all the way down through here and over to the house. So that's the project for today. All right, guys, just like that, got the ditch dug all the way across and all the way over where we started. It was right around 300 feet. So just like always leave time at the end of the day to spend some time with Tommy and Keisha, because, you know, at the end of the day, that's what this is all about. So you can't miss opportunities to see your kids grow up and spend time with your wife. So I'm turning it in for tonight, and tomorrow we'll throw this gas pipe and stuff in and put it on test. And I do believe this is the last ditch I have to dig to the house. So pretty pumped about that, and appreciate you guys watching and following along. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.